Good morning, Rick. Ryan Conway, Pat O'Brien Chevy in Westlake. Just want to thank you for your recent inquiry on the 2017 Chevy Silverado LTZ. Excellent choice, great find as you already know. This one does have the 6.2 liter Corvette engine. Just wanted to come out here, get you a closer look at the exact truck that you inquired on. It's got the chrome grille versus that blacked out that they've been doing lately. Standard bed, 6.5 foot. Rear sliding window. Factory trailering hitch. The beautiful Chevy bow tie sprayed in bed liner. This one here has the jet black interior, beautiful leather, plenty of indoor storage. And as all LTZs do, we've got the memory seats, power window, power lock, the Bose audio, the power seat with adjustable lumbar, the front bucket seats, wireless charging compatible with most phones. Bluetooth capability, cruise control, safety sensors. We've got our USBs and our 110 to 120 volt power outlet. Dual climate control, heated and cooled seats. A couple more USBs and an auxiliary port. The heated steering wheel, forward collision alerts, and forward collision with the cruise control, Wi-Fi hotspot, the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto.
This vehicle is in demonstration mode.
And right now
Connected
sitting
by
at
OnStar's
62
high-speed 4G
miles.
connection. Press the blue OnStar button to learn more.
Of course, this is compatible with the My Chevy app. You're able to lock, unlock, start your car, turn it off from anywhere in the country. And of course, if you have no idea where you parked, the GPS will walk you right to it. But again, this is the 2017 Chevy Silverado LTZ. You inquired about online. I'll be getting more information for you shortly. Phone number here is 440-522-5867. Again, Ryan Conway, Pat O'Brien Chevy in Westlake. Look forward to working for you. Have a great day.